about the rainfall of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka in the tropical zone, as well as then it receives a very huge rainfall. So I'm going to teach you what is that kind of rain types and when it comes and other things. Let's see. So in here I have shown you a map, and there I think you can see Sri Lanka. At that, can you see that equator? I have drawn a square on it. No, yes, a square. So then there's a line I have drawn between them. Can you see there is another? No, there aren't any big distance, no, with the equator. Another thing is, see the other longitude. No, see the other latitude. So that latitude is also that latitude, and the latitude that then equator has from the south and the north, that the countries who belong to that part are known as the countries in the tropical zone. That zone is known as tropical zone. So then that the countries who in the tropical zone, they have so many bays and they receives a lot of rainfall. If we get Sri Lanka receives rainfall and cyclones from the Bay of Bengal. Always, not all, but most of them are coming from the Bay of Bengal. So then types of rains come to Sri Lanka. Monsoon rains, northeast monsoon rain, southwest monsoon rain. Meaning of that is, if we get monsoon rains are the rains coming from the northeast and southwest at a time period. It has a time period. I will show you that. Then convectional rains. These rains are known as the rains with thunders and very rainfall. Receives very rainfall. These rains also come on March, April, and as I can remember, September and then October. So cyclones come on the end of the year, and they are like thunderstorms, but they have many steps, and that cyclones coming from always they come from Bay of Bengal. So in here I have show you in January northeast comes. Then February sun can stay in peacefully. So then March convectional rains. April convectional rains. You know April is very it is very famous about the convectional rains. Yes. Then May southwest. Then there the southwest begins. May, June, July. That all southwest. So again August sun can stay in happily. So then September and October again convectional rains. Then in October to December cyclones come, also cyclones come. So in October convectional and cyclones. November their northeast begins. Northeast time period is November, December, January. So then northeast cyclones, and at that time in January north. It's easy. And there's the part northeast and southwest. This is northeast monsoon rains come from the upper northeast side of Sri Lanka, and southwest come from the southwest side of Sri Lanka. That's why they are known as that like monsoons. And have a nice day.